These Amazon products are going to save you so many hours every single day. I'm not exaggerating. If you're interested in anything, it'll all be linked below in the description box and also pinned in the top comment. Oh, and if you're watching on your TV, you can actually scan this QR code with your phone and find everything there. So for this video, I basically thought about my life, your life, everyone's life, and what areas just take up way too much time, and then products that would drastically cut that down. So let's start with laundry, because we all know laundry is annoying and it takes too much time. So this is a new laundry basket that I got, and it's really saved me so much time because it has 3 separate compartments. And this laundry basket is very high quality, it's sturdy, it's nice, and you'll notice each of the 3 sections actually has its own laundry basket that you can pull out and take to the washing machine. You can obviously do this however is best for your family. I like to do delicates on one, then lights, and then darks. And so you're essentially sorting your laundry upon putting it in the basket, which saves so much time in the future. And then we have what's called the sock dock, which I thought this might be like a gimmicky thing. No, this is a genius laundry invention for socks. So basically it comes with 2. You have a clean one and a dirty one. So you would hang this in your closet. You would train your kids to do this, your husband, you. It makes life so much easier. Oh my gosh. So what you do is for the dirty socks, when you are ready to like throw them in the laundry, no, you just put them right in here. It takes 1 second to bungee it right here. And then you can do like a lot of socks down the center when it's time to wash them. You literally just throw this whole thing into the washing machine, you wash it, you throw the whole thing into the dryer, you dry them, and then you take this and you hang it right back up in the closet. And then this is the clean one. And then when people are ready for socks, they just grab one, put on the socks. When they're dirty, you come to the next one. This is the dirty one. And no more sorting socks, no more finding missing socks. It's genius. But then once the laundry is clean and dry, it's time to fold them. I hate folding, it takes too much time. Get the Box Legend. Let me tell you, it is a legend. You just open it all up, lay the shirt down, boom, boom, boom. It folds the shirt in seconds and it looks pristine. It looks perfect. Perfect to set on a shelf, perfect to put in a drawer. And it also gives you instructions to quickly fold pants and slacks and sweatshirts, and it's amazing. That's why department stores use them, because it makes it so much faster. Next, let's move on to the annoying and time-consuming task of cleaning your house. Now, I know there are different shortcuts and things you can do to clean faster and better and all of that, but at the end of the day, this takes the cake because you're literally not doing anything. It's the Narwhal robot vacuum that I talked about on Prime Day, which I'm sorry, it's no longer on sale for Prime Day. It might still be on sale. It kind of comes and goes. I'll link it below. This is not sponsored at all, okay? They have no idea I'm making this video. I tested their 2 different robot vacuums and they blew me away because it is both a robot vacuum and mop, and the AI technology in this vacuum is ridiculous. Like it surveys everything. It goes around everything. Nothing gets clogged. Like, cause I have a lot of hair. I mean, it sees objects. It goes around the objects. It sees something on the floor. So then, oh, it's mopping. And then now it's going back around and it's vacuuming. Like, it is so impressive. Even the app is amazing. So again, not sponsored, but this really does save you so much time. Next, I want to get into a few beauty things that for women often take too much time. Specifically for me, my hair. So this particular microfiber towel, it really absorbs a lot of the wetness after I get out of the shower, or like the water. Like, I put this in my hair immediately upon getting out of the shower, leave it on for like 10 minutes. It just like sucks all of the moisture out of my hair so that when I go to dry my hair, it is like lickety split. Now, moving on to drying your hair though, I have a couple things I need to talk to you about. This is called Speed Dry. It is a Color Wow product. You know, it's a blow dry spray. You spray it in your hair. It is a heat protectant, so that's good. But I just got this a couple weeks ago specifically for this video because I was like,
Speed Dry, saving time. This could be like a good product for this video.
I love this so much. I've only used it like 3 times, I think. Like, you spray it in after you take your hair out of the towel, and it legit speeds up the time of drying your hair. And I would know because I have so much hair. But the reason I like it even more is it is making my curls last so much better. It's like adding more shine to my hair, but it's like making the curls last longer without having to use hairspray, which I rarely ever use hairspray because it makes my hair sticky. But this will it gives a little grip when you're like styling your hair and it makes it last, but nothing is sticky. You can like brush your hair, move your hair through it, like it doesn't feel gross. But if you want to take it to the next level, this is the Dyson hair dryer. It's like hundreds of dollars. It's like not needed by everyone or anything, but this is like warp speed power. This is so powerful in drying your hair fast. So anyway, just throwing it out there because it definitely is impressive. Now, nails are another area in a woman's life that can take up too much time. So if you do get your nails done, it can be like a good and bad thing. Yes, it's taking up time getting them done, but then I feel like I'm good for 3 weeks and I don't have to touch them. So there's that option. But if you are somebody that does do your nails at home, or you just want to go the natural route, I have 2 specific products that really do save a lot of time. This is the Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Every time I mention this product, people go like hog wild on it. If you've never tried this, you need to. It literally is just like it's like a nail polish looking thing. You just paint it on your cuticles, get a napkin or like a tissue, wipe away your cuticles. Instant, no cutting, no ripping. It's amazing. Now, if you want your nails to just look better, look stronger, healthier, this is called Nail Envy by OPI. It's basically just like a nail strengthener, and you just paint this on and do it every day for like 10 days or so, and your nails will grow longer. Maybe you don't even want them longer, but maybe you just want them to be stronger and just look healthy and natural. You need this. It really does work, and I used to use this years ago when I didn't always get my nails done. If you're enjoying this video, I would love for you to take 2 seconds and subscribe down below. Let's talk about making dinner. I hate it. For all of you people that love meal planning and prepping and making delicious, healthy food for your families, my goodness, I'm jealous of you. That is not me. I mean, I will do it. I don't enjoy it though, and it takes up too much freaking time. So here comes, this is my best friend. This is the easy 5-ingredient slow cooker cookbook. So we all know a slow cooker, crock pot saves so much time. Just put it in the morning, hit a button, you're done. 8 hours later, delicious food. So sometimes I have trouble coming up with different recipes. Like how many times can you have like pulled pork, This is, again, so easy because it's 5 ingredients only. Half the time you already have literally everything in your pantry. Now they do have extra ingredients if you wanna be fancy, but you don't have to. But this truly has been a lifesaver, a time saver for me. Next, let's talk about exercising. We all know if we could cut corners here, maybe just skip it entirely, that would be amazing. There are certain things you can do to kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I first want to talk about the rebounder. This isn't really killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You do just need to do this, but the thing is, the beauty of a rebounder, I'm gonna actually link right up here this video all about rebounding, all of the amazing health benefits that you can get in only 2 minutes. 2 minutes of rebounding, okay? So that's what I mean. It flushes out your entire lymphatic system. It increases circulation. It helps with your bone density. It helps with so many amazing things. Again, I'll go into detail into that, but watch that one after this. But it is fantastic, and you only need to do it for 2 minutes to really get so many benefits. Of course, you can keep going for even more, but if you do want to then move on to cutting corners and doing things without really feeling like you're doing anything, you need to get these wrist weights, okay? When you're just doing laundry or you're doing the dishes, you're just walking outside, add wrist weights or ankle weights, and it's going to increase the intensity of simple tasks. At first, you're not going to even notice it, but then after some time, you're like, oh wow, like this is giving me an arm workout. It's kind of, I'm a little more winded than I might be. Even the weighted vest, I'll also link the weighted vest. Highly recommend just adding that to your body. Again, when you're working around the house, on a walk, going on a hike, it really is giving you such a good exercise with not really doing anything extra. But while you are around the house doing simple tasks, this tiny little cube, I dare say, will double your productivity and in turn save you so much time. This is so inexpensive. I use it all the time. It is a productivity cube. It has different times like 5, 10, 30, and 60 minutes. You turn it on, flip it to whatever time. 10 minutes is my favorite. I love doing a 10-minute tidy. And once the timer gets going, you just do whatever you need to do as fast as you can for only that allotted amount of time. And there's just something in our brains that when we know we only have to do it for this short time, but we do it as fast as we can, it's like a little game. And you'll be so shocked at how much you can do. And and then it's over before you know it. Next, we have this jumbo pill organizer. So this is great for people that take a lot of vitamins and supplements like me, or people on a lot of different medications, and each compartment is really big, but also there's a section for both morning and night. Now, I have to be honest, I only use this when I travel, but I very often think about how I need to be better about using this on a daily basis, because I can't tell you how much time every day I spend opening bottle by bottle by bottle of all the supplements that I take. Like, it's stupid. I need to just be prepping for the week, and then boom, just like everything's ready to go for me every day. It would save so much time, but this is definitely the best pill organizer I've ever found, again, because of the size, but then each compartment does remove itself. So if you just wanna, like if you're going away for the weekend, you could just take Friday, Saturday, Sunday, put it in your bag. Or if you're gone for the whole week, you can just take this whole thing. Another thing that has saved me time, and not a lot, but I do have a lot of plants, and these are plant watering bulbs, and you can get them in really fun colors. I really like the clear ones though. You just fill them up with water and then just literally stick it directly into the potted plant, and then based on how hydrated it already is, it slowly lets the water out and it waters the plants for you. So you could use these, while you're traveling. You would probably need a decent amount of them depending on how big your plants are, but even just doing it at the beginning of the week, it kind of saves you time through the following days. Now, this next item might come out of left field, but hear me out, because I really think it will save a lot of time in people's day, because a lot of women especially spend a long time trying to fall asleep. And usually the culprit actually is the amount of blue light they have taken in throughout the day, whether it be from working on their laptop, watching TV at the end of the day. But these are blue light blocking glasses, which I'm sure you've heard of these. Maybe you already have some, but I spent a long time doing like a deep dive into this, and these are a little more expensive. They are from Amazon, but they're more expensive than the typical blue light blocking glasses because they really work well. I don't really struggle with falling asleep at night, but I know there's a lot of detrimental health things that can happen when we're constantly inundated with blue light. So I've just been trying to wear these anytime I work on my laptop, anytime I'm watching a movie before bed or watching TV, and it's just so much healthier, but it also can help you fall asleep faster. So again, everything mentioned in this video will be linked down below, also pinned in the top comment, and then here in the QR code. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.